To pair your 4-button keypad to the sensor is a very easy process. First, you're going to put the keypad into pairing mode, which is going to be 5 presses on the on button until a green LED will be blinking below to show that it's in pairing mode. So we'll go ahead and press it 5 times here. And then notice the green LED starts to blink, showing that it is in this pairing mode. Next, we're going to go to the Smart Sensor app. To pair the wireless companion with our sensor, I've got the Smart Sensor app open, and it's scanned a list of available devices here. I know it's this Demo 1 unit that I want to connect it to. If you're not sure, you can hit the Identify button, and whichever sensor that is, the lights connected to it will blink on or off, and the sensor will blink a pattern to let you know that's the right one. So this is the one I want. I'm going to go ahead and connect to it. And it's going to pull up the main settings page in the app. So under the menu of options here, I want to look for wireless companion. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it asks to go ahead, do we want to add new companions? Again, it already shows the one that I have paired already, but I'm going to add a new one. So I'm going to click on the plus button here. And it gives me some instructions on what I need to do to put the device into pairing mode, which I've already done, so I'll hit continue. And it's going to start scanning for devices that are in this pairing mode. And there's the new one. It went ahead and it popped up on the menu here, so I'm going to hit the plus button to add it, and it's going to ask me if I want to pair it. And again, this is an opportunity to confirm it's the right one, so that's the one I want to pair it with. It's the only one that's in pairing mode, so there should only be the one option up there, but if not sure, go ahead and just confirm and then hit pair. The pairing process will take about 20 to 30 seconds. Alright, and then it's going to tell you that the pairing is complete. At this time, if you had other wireless companions that you want to add, you can do that now, or if you're done, you can go ahead and leave screen. And it's going to take us back to the main settings page. Alright, now this page here shows which devices are connected to it. It still just shows the original device. It'll take about 20 to 30 seconds for that new device to pop up on this list. Let's wait for that to happen. Alright, so after about 20 to 30 seconds, you can see our second device was added here. This is where you can also determine what you want the switch or dimmer to control. We just have them connected to one light source. We just have it as primary zone, but your option could be a secondary zone if you're using one of the 2-channel or 2-zone sensors, or if you had multiple sensors grouped together, you could have it control the entire network. And then you go back to the main settings page. Essentially, you're now paired and you can exit the app. So with our new 4-button wireless companion added, we now have full control over the lighting, so we can turn the lights on, turn the lights off. We can dim it up and down. So every time you press the down button, it'll dim roughly 10 to 15%. And it will dim all the way down to off. One dim up puts it at a min dim level. And again, one dim off will turn it all the way off. And then if you hit on, it'll also do it to that min dim level. One more on and it goes to full brightness. So again, you have the full control over the whole dimming range. And then the other wireless companion I already have here will also still be fully functional as well too. So it makes it really easy to do a 3-way. For retrofit types of applications where it's going to be difficult to run wire, it makes it really easy to set up switches and dimmers in a space without having to run any new wire. And again, battery life is projected to last 5 years, so maintenance is very minimal.